In this video, I will show you how to make an image rotate in CapCut PC or how to spin an image in CapCut PC. Let's get started. Open CapCut. Create a new project. Click on Import to add the image you want to rotate. Drag the background video onto the timeline. Now drag the image onto the timeline. Click on the image in the timeline to ensure it is selected. This will enable editing options for that specific clip. On the right side of the screen, locate the video panel. Make sure you are on the Basic tab. Scroll down to find the Rotate section. Move the playhead to the beginning of your image clip on the timeline. Click on Add Keyframe in the Rotate section. This will create a starting point for your rotation. Move the playhead forward a few frames. Click Add Keyframe again. Adjust the rotation angle to your desired spin. Type 360 degrees for a full spin. Play back your clip to see how it looks and make adjustments as necessary.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.